be explaining something about the website for you, the back-end dashboard, for a better understanding. So everything is actually under this Shopify. So this Shopify is monthly subscription is 19 USD per month, and the main purpose of this thing is like to take order and receive all the customer information. And then in order to have a better feature, such as you need this delivery feature, or things like the pre-order labeling. All this required an app to showcase the feature. So I'll be explaining the app that we install. So later on you can go in and have a look or do editing in future. So the first app is the bird pickup delivery. This app allowed us to let customer to choose their preferable date and time here at the checkout. And then for products like the pavlova, it requires next 1 day in advance pre-order, right? So that's why we need to pay this 16.99 cents for this feature. And then another app is semi product labels, to add this label for pre-order items. This one is a free app. And another one free search and discovery app. This one you can edit the product recommendations later on, and the Google review. And this one Upsell, to display the card upsell or the candles upsell in the product page. And this one volume discount, meaning like example, last time you have the Chinese New Year set, right? And you allow customer to buy more and to get more discount. So this app is to help you display this feature on the website. And these pop-ups, for subscribers, and the form builder to let customer to fill up their order requirements in the form. And last, the Lalamove app. So all this app, you can find it in your dashboard. If it's not showing up in the app in here, just click this, and then you can select whatever app you want to use. For example, this product labels, and then you click, and you can click this pin. So the app will show up here. So you don't need to go in here and select. It's like a shortcut.